Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction update of my clients from Pasig City. So, they bought a Julieta model here in Madonna Residences and currently ang ginagawa nila is yung structural ng garahe or ng garage. So, ayan po sila and then let's check inside if may ginagawa din. So, may ginagawa nga sila. So, hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok. Nagpapaalam muna po kasi kami bago kami mag-video. So, punta tayo sa backyard. So, ito po, nagpa-plaster or nagpapalitada na sila ng fence. So, ito po yung ating backyard. Malaki po ang ating backyard. Very spacious. And then, ito pong dirty kitchen natin. Nag-i-install na sila ng trusses. So, ayan po. And then, napansin ko din, yung ceiling natin nag-improve. So, in-improve yung material kasi dati hindi siya ganyan. So, currently po, sold out na tayo sa Phase 3 and sa Phase 2 po, available na model unit is Melcon na lang po. So, if interested, message us because we have a fully furnished turnover promo here in Madonna Residences. Tapos may price increase kami this March 15. So, habol na po kayo, mag-tripping na po tayo para makapag-reserve na po kayo ng unit. And then, if you need help po, just message us so we can assist you better. Ito po yung ating list of freebies for your reference. And please follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you!